Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to change the hotspot name now, so make sure tethering is allowed and you know your device passcode. First, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if required. Having connected devices nearby helps quick testing. Then open Settings and navigate directly to Personal Hotspot on iOS or Network and Internet right arrow Hotspot on Android. This is where the current SSID is shown. Once you're on that screen, you can edit the visible network name. This is the first actionable step to take. Now change the name itself. Here's how and why it differs. On iOS, the hotspot SSID inherits your device name, so go to Settings right arrow General right arrow About right arrow Name and edit it. This keeps synced services consistent. On Android, open Hotspot Settings and choose Configure or Set up Wi-Fi Hotspot, then type the new network name. This directly alters what others see. On laptops, use Network Preferences and Mobile Hotspot options to rename. Make sure the name is unique and simple so devices reconnect reliably. Finish by saving or applying the change, then toggle the hotspot off and on so the new SSID broadcasts immediately. You should manually reconnect each client device to the renamed network using the same password. This prevents accidental connections to an old SSID. If the name does not update, restart your phone or laptop, and on Android, clear the Wi-Fi cache. On iOS, reboot. If problems persist, check carrier hotspot limits. Sometimes providers restrict tethering behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.